Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of e-commerce platforms. In today's video, we got a really special one for you. We're going to be showing you step by step how to migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. And we're going to show you why Shopify is clearly the better choice. So stay tuned, strap in, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll get right into the video. Cool. So step one, let's have a look. We're going to export all our products. So here we're in the dashboard. So what you want to do is go into the products tab and click all products. Once you've done that, you can see all the products that you have. And in this case, we're going to be exporting over 1,000 different products. So you see we have 1,055, then we're going to hit export. And it's really, really cool because WooCommerce actually gives you the option to fine tune every aspect of the export. If you have a look at the columns to export, you can see, hey, which columns do you want to export? Then you can choose which product types you want to export. And then finally, you can even choose which product category to export. And if you don't want to manually customize that, you can literally have a look at this export custom meta option. And if you want, you can just tick the box and it'll export all the information that you need. Now, I'm going to hit generate CSV and it's going to export all those products to a CSV file. All right, so once that's done, I want to save this and we'll move on to the next steps. So step two is I've exported the products. Now I want to export my customers. So here you're going to go back to the dashboard, you're going to hit WooCommerce and then you're going to hit customers. What's going to happen next is you're going to be shown a list of literally all your customers in a number of rows and columns. Now, if you don't want to export all your customers, you can actually use the advanced filtering options to export a specific subset of customers. So what you want to do is tap the drop-down menu, you're going to see all customers, and if you want a subset, you can do it with single customers, or there's advanced filters for you to choose from. Now, what you're going to then, after you choose the customers you want to export, you're going to hit download, and then you're going to export and save that CSV file. So now you've got two CSV files, we're going to prepare to import those files. It's important to note that the files that WooCommerce provides cannot actually be directly uploaded to Shopify. So we're going to need to follow a template provided by Shopify, and that is in the link in the description. So my advice is to actually use the split view and open the exported file and template side by side. Then you're going to fill the template file in the correct format. And to be honest, right, this actually might take some time, but it is an extremely important step. This is the foundation of the migration. And if you get this step wrong, it'll be very, very difficult to complete the migration. So as you can see, you've got both the templates side by side, and we're just going to be copying and pasting the information into the correct column. Now, you're probably going to need to do the same for the customers also. And then once completed, you're going to save both those files. Now let's move on to importing the products. So first, we're going to upload the CSV file that we prepared in the earlier step. Then we're going to tick the box if we want the product to go live on all sales channels. If that's the case, we're going to hit upload and preview, and we're going to get a preview of the first imported product. If everything looks good and the text fields match correctly, then you're going to start the product import. But make sure that you double check this because this is a very crucial step. Now, what's cool is that while this is actually importing, you can just work on other stuff while it's being imported, which is a handy feature that Shopify offers. Cool. Step number 5 is import your customers. So firstly, you're going to go to the dashboard and then you're going to see customers. Click that. This will then take you to a screen where you're able to import your customers that you prepared earlier. Now, once you hit that button, you're going to be prompted to add a file. So go find that file that you created onto your desktop and import that into Shopify. Now, Shopify is going to give you two options. Number one, if you already have customer data on your store, you can just skip the customers with the same email or phone details. And number two, you can even add a tag for future referencing, which is a really, really neat feature. But we're just going to skip past that and we're going to hit import customers. Now, once you do that, Shopify is going to show you a summary table of all the successful and the failed and the skipped contacts. In this case, all 7 of the customers that we wanted to be successful, we'll hit import, and we're going to see that in the table. It's important to make sure here that you actually review all the customers that you've imported for all the correct information, making sure nothing is lost. So there you have it. That's how you migrate from WooCommerce to Shopify. As you can see, it is a little bit tedious. It is easy, but it is tedious. It might take some time, especially if you have a large number of products and or customers. But in saying that, give us a like and a subscribe if you found this useful. We really appreciate it. However, if you did find that you want a more hands-off approach, please click the link in the description because we offer a dedicated Shopify migration service specifically for your needs. And so if you're finding it's too overwhelming, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to help. So we'll see you next time. Give us a comment if you found this useful. Thanks very much.